Hey guys, what's up? I want to give a tutorial on how I did the clone effect on Photoshop. But first, what you need is a tripod. Like I bought this one for um 5,000, almost 6,000 naira on Jumia. I hope you can see it. It's pretty. Like you just put your phone here in this place here. I just you put your phone there and make it at that same position, and you now take different pictures everywhere. That's the point I'm trying to make. I didn't put this in the other video, so I'm doing this tutorial now. So after that, like you can still raise it up. I'm not even raising it up. This is just a small look. So from there, you will now go to Photoshop and do the meaning. Just trying to give it a tutorial on how that works. Thank you. If you have any question at all, I'll just put it in the comment section below. I'll answer anything. And again, yeah. If you want, if you don't have a tripod stand, you can use, like this is a window. Okay. Um, yes, you can use something like this. Yeah. That's an example of how it looks like. It may not be that clear, but it's going to be okay. You still do what you want to do. You can see it's stable, so you can stand here, and even here like this. You grab just something creative. If you slant it, you cover more range. Yeah, yeah, and yeah. Hope you get that. Thank you.